Suki's been fantastic. He's been right there with all the guys. Anything that he sees, he's got it right away. You know, and he's looking at the little things, which is the little things that even, well, one of the guys a couple days ago was stepping over one of the tool bags and sort of just tripped a little bit. And Sukhi saw it. He goes, "Hey, that's a near miss because you could have tripped and hurt yourself." And the guys, "Yeah, no problem. No, I'll report it." So the guys are all buying in. First thing I noticed when they set the staging up on the side of the house, they took some of the vinyl off and screwed in D-ring anchor points to hold the ladders in place. So I mean, it took them probably an hour and a half to set their staging up, but there was no way it was going to move when they were working on it. So yeah, no, they was pretty impressed that they took the extra time to set all that stuff up. From what Sukhi's been telling me, safety starts at the top, because he's even talking about all the safety incentives that he gives out, gas cards, gift cards, that kind of stuff, that your guys are going above and beyond the Call of Duty, which I think is fantastic.